Bienvenue à la clase. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, your new home for everything dance online. Today we're looking at one of our foundational movements in dance, the tendu. Like a lot of dance, tendu is a word in French, which means to stretch or to point. And that's exactly what your foot's going to be doing, stretching and pointing. So from your ankle, you're going to stretch all the way over the top of that foot, all the way down to your toes. Don't leave them flexed up like this. Point them all the way through, all the way down the toe, one long line straight through. And that's it. That's your tendu. Easy, right? So now there are a couple of ways that you can do your tendu, either turned in or turned out, but we won't get into that right now. For now, I'm Malone Jr. This has been Technique Tips with RMJ Studios. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for even more. Alright, thanks. Bye.